you eat your sandwich? Did you smear the yolk all over your chest and fucking go, oh yeah. Oh. So I get to North Dock, I unload, fucking Kayla's fucking go crazy. Put shit here, put here, don't block this. I do that, then she says you're blocking my box. I need to get that box. What the fuck? You just told me to fucking do what I just did. And then I said, is there any Southwest? No. Well, then I checked the schedule and it said door 22. And I said, do you think it's down there? Well, maybe. And then I go to door 22 and fucking Troy's down there. And Troy said, there's nothing. So I called man, yeah, I said, do I still gotta go to Southwest? Yeah, go to Southwest, get mail, get up, get equipment. And so I get there and the fucking dude's standing there looking at me. He's like, what do you got? I said, nothing. What do you got for me? Nothing. Okay. So I called man, yeah, I said, can I go straight to the yard or I gotta get scanned out? And he said, you gotta go back to the yard and get scanned out, then I'm done. And then he said, I am doing it tomorrow too. Until further notice, he'll call to let me know if I'm not doing it now. Yeah. Oh, I think I started at 2. Hell yeah, I just want. Yeah, hell yeah. Those vehicles are gonna come. Damn, this is crazy. Damn, this fucking. Yeah. Holy shit, that was crazy. Not trying to get out of this. Everyone's going to work and this car let me go, but it was crazy. It was nuts. I had to back up. I took the back road because there's an accident, so I didn't want to go by the Domino's and make a left.